Here is a tasty bowl of crunchy sunflower seeds for your dinner, little hamster. I am so sleepy tonight. I will go to sleep immediately now. Oh no! The cage is completely empty, and my pet hamster is gone. What is that loud shouting inside your bedroom this morning, Toby? I forgot to close the wire hatch door tightly, and the hamster escaped. Look down at the rug, Toby. What are these tiny white pieces lying on the floor? Aha! The missing piece. The pet hamster dropped a trail of tiny sunflower seed shells across the carpet. We must find the little pet hamster quickly before he gets lost inside the house. Everyone, let us follow the trail of tiny seed shells together right now. I am looking carefully at the floor tiles. The trail goes toward the master bedroom. I am searching behind these long window curtains, but the hamster is not here. No, Toby, the hamster is completely missing from the dark wardrobe closet shelves.
Why is the whole family hunting across the master bedroom floor this morning, Clara?
Toby's little pet hamster escaped from his empty wire cage in the night, Marcus. Oh no! I think my small pet hamster is completely lost inside the massive house.
You must always double-check that animal cages are locked tight to protect small pets, Toby.
I think our fun morning is totally ruined because the small hamster is missing.
Let me check inside my open closet room to find a final clue, family.
Everyone come over here quickly, but I see something moving inside my green running shoe.
Look, everyone! The final sunflower seed shell is lying right next to the shoe opening. I found my missing pet hamster sleeping soundly next to the shoe heel cushion. You are amazing, Marcus! Hooray! Now our beautiful morning is saved, and the small hamster is perfectly safe. Always store your small, precious animal cages safely on high desks and lock them firmly, children. Always double-check that animal cages are locked tight to protect small pets from escaping. Thank you, Mother. My little pet hamster is locked inside his safe home now.
Always listen to parental safety instructions and keep your animal cages locked tight immediately.
Protecting your small pets from escaping makes every school day much smoother and happier. My small hamster is eating his sunflower seeds safely inside his locked cage now. Always follow your parental cage locking rules and enjoy a wonderful pet care holiday day. Today is the perfect warm morning to wash our little white puppy. I want to help you make lots of white soap bubbles, Mother.
Let us rub the soap carefully to make your white fur clean and beautiful.
Look at all the fluffy white soap bubbles flying around the room. Oh my goodness, look at all that water! You are so silly, little one.
The bath is finished, and now you are a very clean little puppy.
I will dry your wet white fur until it is completely soft again.
We spent a whole hour washing the pet, and he looks wonderful now.
I need to go outside into the backyard garden to find my toy ball.
Time for an adventure outside.
Oh no! The damp puppy is running out into the garden very fast. Wait a minute. Where did our clean white puppy disappear to so quickly?
Toby, why is the backyard screen door wide open in the morning?
The little white puppy ran past my feet and escaped outside, Mother.
Oh my goodness! Look at the messy pile of black mud on our lawn. Oh.
Our entire hour of hard cleaning work is totally ruined today.
What is that loud shouting outside?
Please help us catch the puppy immediately before he runs inside the house.
Everyone, let us form a circle and catch the puppy together right now.
I am looking carefully behind these colorful flower plants, Father. Almost got you. Bark! No, come back. This is terrible, because the little muddy puppy is too fast for us.
I am searching behind the long garden hedges, but nothing is here.
Look at the screen door. The puppy is heading back toward the house.
We are wasting precious time, and the muddy dog will ruin our indoor carpets.
I am running to our screen door to block the entryway quickly.
This lightweight screen door must stay securely latched to keep pets outside. I will collect the playful little puppy from the concrete steps safely now.
Thank you, Father. The little muddy puppy is finally caught and safe now.
You are amazing, Marcus. You saved our house from a massive mud mess today.
Hooray! Now we can finally give the puppy his second warm bath safely.
We must always be more careful with garden exit doors, children.
Keep garden exit doors securely latched when pets are drying off inside immediately.
Yes, Father. Keeping doors latched tightly saves valuable cleaning time. Following the family safety rules makes our pet care much smoother and happier.
A good organization and secure doors make the whole family life peaceful and smooth.
Always lock your exit doors correctly and enjoy a happy pet day.
All right, snack time is ready.
Let's show them. Protecting your clean pets from muddy yards makes every holiday much smoother and happier.